Welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And you know what happens. You know what's going on. Whenever I wear this hat, it means I'm doing something to my car. So what I'm going to do today is kind of a part two. If you look at my YouTube channel, you see I did a how to change your driver's side headlight bulb. Well, unfortunately, I was filming it by myself and I didn't do a lot of detail. That video is at almost 6,000 or 7,000 views right now. And a lot of people are upset because it's so quick. It's like I edited it pretty poorly. So today I'm actually going to do a better job at that. So I'm going to show you the bulb is fine. The bulb works just fine. But I'm going to show you how to do that right now using the bulb that's already in it. But I'm going to show you a little bit more in depth and get better shots of me actually turning and how to do it. So this will be how to change your headlight bulb in a Kia Optima part 2. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I got my flashlight here so that you guys can have a better view of exactly what I did last time. So you see here, it's not this one, okay? So it's not this cap right here. This is for your high beam. Do not remove that one. That one is for this light right there, okay? We're not doing that one, we're doing the low beam. So that's this one right here. So I got my light so that you guys can see it a little bit better. And we're gonna twist this cap right here to the left. So let's go ahead and do that. Twist it to the left. It's a little tight, but I promise you if you just keep twisting it, it'll slide. There we go. It's gonna twist. It's gonna come right off. All I did was this, twist it to the left. Now, trying to get the light in there as much as possible because I cannot get my camera down in there. But you see, I can get my camera in there. That right there is where the bulb is. And that's what I'm gonna twist out for you guys and show exactly how. Make sure I get the light in there. Put the light back in there. Twist this to the left and it should come right out. I'm gonna have to move my flashlight to do this. And try this with one hand. Just turn it to the left. Let me try my right hand. Extremely difficult with one hand, especially with the negative battery cable, but we're gonna do it anyway. There we go. Okay, twist it. I'm gonna get in there to show you guys as best as possible. Since I didn't do this in the first video, definitely want to twist it. I've got it twisted now, I just got to yank it out of there. And this is exactly why I edited this long part out, because it's not that easy to get it out of there, to twist it, because you don't want to break that damn bulb and have to go spend another 15 bucks. They don't make it easy. This design right here with the negative battery cable is really stupid. But then again, Kia is not known for making good decisions when it comes to vehicles. Oh. There we go. My hand's almost stuck. Okay, so shine the light back in there. It's a lot looser. Again, you want to twist this way. Twist this way best that you can. You can hear it. And there it goes. And it's even scraping on the metal, but I'm doing this for you guys, okay? I'm doing this for you guys. There it is. The bulb is out. The bulb is out. Now from here, I'm holding the camera with my right hand, but from here, all you do is just yank the bulb out of its socket. That's it. And then yank the old bulb out of its socket. I'll try to bring this up for you guys because it doesn't really want to come up. But from here, you yank the bulb out of its socket easily. You just pull it like this. You just pull it out of its socket just like that, and you put the new bulb back in there. So that's how you properly, step-by-step, replace the low beam bulb on your Kia Optima. The low beam bulb is right here. Again, I'm gonna show you guys. This bulb works just fine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back into the socket and then turn it to the right. So you just wanna back into its socket. See how it's hanging? Look down in there, because you gotta be kind of careful. A little socket in there. Extremely hard with one hand, but again, I'm trying this for you guys. Put it in there. So let's go ahead and do it. Slide it into its socket, and then turn it to the right. It's in there. Now we're just going to turn it to the right till it clicks. This is just as hard as it was taking it out. It's just as hard sticking it back in there. And this is really why I kind of skipped all this part. But a lot of people wanted a step-by-step of how to do it. So these are the struggles that you're going to go through when doing this. I'm not going to say it's a hard task. It's not. It's just very tedious. Having to find the right spot to spin the damn headlight bulb. And it takes a while. So that's all I did when I did my last video. All I did was just edit this part out. But a lot of people complained that I didn't show the step-by-step. So this is what you're going to be doing. A lot of people really did watch it. And maybe they kind of understood. But for those of you who didn't, this is me going the extra mile to show my fans exactly what to do. Okay, you want to stick it in there? Turn it, it clicked. Great, it clicked. Now I'm going to put the cap back on. Hush, doggy. The cap's not easy either. I can't wait till they come up with a new design for this instead of these stupid caps, but my cap's a little off. Remember, this cap was on tight, so. You don't want to be driving and your cap fall off. Okay, so that's that. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlight. And there you go, both headlights are on, working just fine. We put the cap back. So guys, that's how you install a headlight low beam on your Kia Optima. This should work for the years 2011 through 2015 or 16. My Kia Optima is a 2015. Again, I apologize for the last video where I didn't go into detail, but this video is definitely detailed. You got to see me struggle, but you got to see me remove the bulb and put the bulb back. So if you guys like content like this, make sure you hit that like button so that this video can get seen on YouTube and help grow my channel so that I can bring more videos to you guys. And if you have any other tips or tricks or things that you would like to see me do on the channel, leave them in the comments below. You know, you can also contact me on Instagram at straight out of content. I'll put that down here. Guys, you know my slogan, be safe, be basic. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.